Have you ever heard of blue lava? It's an incredibly rare phenomenon that is both beautiful and mysterious. In this video, we'll be exploring what causes blue lava and where you can find it. To understand blue lava, we first need to understand how a volcano works. At the center of a volcano is a magma chamber which is filled with molten rock. When pressure builds up, the magma rises up through the vent and erupts onto the surface in the form of lava. When we think of lava, we often imagine red, orange, or yellow glowing streams of molten rock. But blue lava is entirely different, so why is it blue? Blue lava is caused by the combustion of sulfuric gases, which burn blue when ignited. These gases are usually produced by the interaction of molten lava and water, and they can occur in both ocean and land-based volcanoes. One of the most famous places to see blue lava is in Indonesia, where the Kawah Jen volcano has been known to produce bright blue flames and lava flows. This volcano is also known as the Blue Fire volcano because of the incredible blue glow that it produces. Scientists have been studying blue lava for years to try and understand the chemistry behind this unique phenomenon. They have discovered that the presence of certain minerals such as copper and sulfur can also contribute to the blue color of the lava. Blue lava may be rare, but it's a stunning sight that captivates anyone who comes across it. It's a reminder of the incredible forces at work beneath our feet and the amazing beauty that nature can produce. Thanks for watching this video on blue lava. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting science videos.